So far, we've only played down bows followed by up bows, or up bows followed by down bows. Now we're going to learn how to play 2 down bows in a row. And this is done by lifting the bow and making a circle. So let's play 3 quarter notes on the D string, take a rest, and come right back down to the D string using a down bow. I'll demonstrate. 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll notice that instead of stopping the bow, I continue the down bow arm motion into the air. And I land back on the D string, going down bow. Now, to avoid landing back on the string with a bounce or any kind of crack, make sure that the circle is wide and smooth enough. And that you are landing well below the middle of the bow. Let's practice these circles on all 4 strings. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's play Shortnin Bread in D major. Lift the bow during the rests and start the next phrase down bow. 1, 2, 3, 4.